Hi folks, coming to you from the rooftop patio of our hotel, the heart of downtown Seville here in Spain. And I produced this short video. I want to give you a sense of some of the things that we've experienced over the past few days. One of the most notable being the Seville Cathedral, world renowned. Inside the cathedral is the tomb of the great explorer Christopher Columbus. I hope you enjoy the video. In closing, I thought I'd give you a panoramic view of the immediate surroundings. Here's the steeple of the Seville Cathedral. So, yeah, give you a sense of the surrounding areas.